Hi, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you guys are new, welcome. My name is Laura. I post videos once a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about hair, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, all that good stuff. Today I'm going to be trying out a few products from Alterna Hair Care CAVIAR line of hair products. So if you guys want to see my full first impressions and review about this brand and these products, then please keep on watching. I have received some samples. I've actually tried this brand once before, but I think the product I used was expired. It was really bad and smelled off. So I'm going to basically disregard my experience that time and pretend like it never happened because I feel like it was an off product and hopefully doesn't reflect on the brand itself. So I'm going to be trying out the Instant Recovery Shampoo and Conditioner, which both have strand building proteins. It says it's for damage-free hair, which I assume means it's for damaged hair and it fixes it. It's also free of parabens, sulfates. I think those are the other thing, and synthetic color. And it says here it's a restorative, paraben-free conditioner and shampoo that transforms severely damaged hair, intensely nourishing and repairing each individual strand. Can't actually remember if this is specifically good for color treated hair, so I'm also going to be testing that out. And then as well, I'm going to be trying this CAVIAR CC cream. It's a 10-in-1 complete correction leave-in hair perfector. So this one you use on towel dried hair. So I'm going to wash my hair first, dry it, and then probably come back and apply this on camera and give my full thoughts. So I am gonna go wash my hair and then I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I washed my hair. It's about, I don't know, maybe like 60 to 70% dry right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush through. Let's talk about the shampoo and conditioner. They both smell really nice. They smell, how would I describe them? Like expensive products. Like they smell fruity, but not in like a super fake, aggressive kind of way. They smell really nice. The shampoo I liked. My hair was feeling it was weird. My hair was feeling both very oily and very dry and damaged at the same time today. I think a combination of hair products that I use towards my ends, I don't think they were working out very well because my ends aren't normally super dry, so I think it was just something I put in my hair that didn't agree with it. My hair was kind of tangly when I was washing it, which it kind of was before. I don't know, I felt like the shampoo kind of made it a little bit tangled as far as, you know, scalp and up here. It felt nice. It felt kind of smoothing actually, except towards kind of like from here down. What else? The conditioner was really thick, like much thicker than I expected, whereas the shampoo was kind of like very creamy. Like it felt like milk based, I don't know. Whereas the conditioner was it wasn't as thick as a paste, but it was quite thick. It worked really nicely. It felt very smoothing, very moisturizing and hydrating. And my hair right now feels really nice. Can't really smell it in my hair though, so I guess it's a kind of more delicate scent, which I really don't mind. So now let's put on the Hair Perfector leave-in product. Doesn't say exactly what it actually doesn't say at all what it does, so I guess it's just kind of like a leave-in conditioner styling product. Kind of smells, I guess, maybe similar to the shampoo and conditioner. It's got a very delicate scent. It doesn't even say how much to do, so I'm just going to do about that much to start. Like literally there are 0 instructions for this. Oh, now I can smell it. It smells very natural. Like it's not aloe, but it's something else that I'm smelling. Citrus, that's what it is. Not really sure what I'm supposed to do with this, but it feels very smoothing. Like my hair already feels silkier. I'm just gonna comb it through my hair just so it's distributed kind of more evenly. My hair definitely feels silkier, and it also feels like it's not straightening, but it feels like it's kind of that type of product where I'm not saying like it takes away from your natural hair texture, but it just seems to kind of like keep things by making it silky, it kind of also makes it straight, if that makes sense. So let's talk about the price of these products. I can't seem to find it on the Sephora app, but it seems to be about $45 Canadian each for the shampoo and for the conditioner. So each one of those is $45, and that seems like a lot of money because then you're spending $90 just to get like both of them, which is a lot of money for shampoo and conditioner. That is way too high. Honestly, I don't think it's worth that price. It was nice. Would I use it again? Sure, but I am not spending that kind of money on shampoo and conditioner. That is absolutely ridiculous. So this CC cream, this leave-in product, this one is $38 for 100 mils or 3.4 ounces. Okay, so about 3 times this size. $38 for that is not bad. I feel like that's about as much as I would spend on this type of product, like kind of maximum. Seems kind of on par with other sort of high-end leave-in products. It's not terrible, it's not, amazing, but it's a nice product. I would definitely use it again. I feel like this is a really boring video, but I just don't have a whole lot to say because this is just first impressions alone, but I like this brand. I think I would try their products again. I'd give each of these, I'd give the shampoo and conditioner each 4 out of 5. And I think I'd give this leave-in product 4.75 out of 5. It was really solid. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've used either these products before or something else from this brand, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time.